Shoot!
Hindi nilabas ang bola. Okay, now, red ball. Pass! Next person! Good! 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 Agad siya! Boys up! Nice! Ashley! Sean! Corbin! Corbin again! Good against Isaac! Oh, Isaac! Putting pressure on Ralph! Oh! Double violation. Shadow! Iko Kabel! Bella! Sean! Against Ralph! Nice defense! Oh!
Go! Shoot! Foul!
Out sa foul! Sino naka-foul? Ay sa first personal foul. Wow! Pachiko! Outside!
Bili mo na si Tommy ng magamit na tubig. Bili mo na. Ang pagpadigurado mag-ihanap yan.
Sean! Oh! Isaac to Ashley!
Get it, Tommy! Get it!
Well, moving again against Isaac.
Shoot!
No! Ashley to Sean! Labas, labas! Kulay, Sean! Score! 1-0 in favor of the Navigators now. Right, getting hard on Sean and Isaac. Nowhere to go. Transition. No. No, sir. Outside. Sorry po. Ready her mo. Sean again. Sean. To Isaac. Isaac, 1 second. No. Outside. Sean, please tie your shoelace. Thank you, Kuya Seth.
Oo. Hindi kay Tommy yan.
Man. Tries to score. No. Chico, handling the ball. Trying to score. No. Ashley, nice rebound against Bell. Okay, to Sean. Nice to Sean. No, sir. Ashley, back to Isaac. End of the first half. And back to the ball game. Isaac against Ralph. to Sean. Sean ran away from Jigo. Isa! Boom! No goal. Jigo, dribbling the ball. Bell! No. Ralph hunting the ball against Sean. No. Outside.
Sabi mo kay Tommy mag-kill ka. Sabi mo kay Tommy.
Nice after Sean. Against Kuya Jigo. Sean trying to make a bucket. No. Ashley getting the ball against Kuya Jigo. No shot again. Basket shot. Ah. Not counted. Okay. And that's the end. Check. Okay lang. Okay lang. Jen.
Okay, innovators din, nagpalit.
Ayan na. Ito yung gusto kong match. Okay, Lohan. Okay, Dean. Nakabakat yan.
Okay.
Pointers.
1 minute, 15, 14 seconds.
Please, tuloy.
Tuloy lang, tuloy. Wala. Okay, wala. Katie Julie the ball. Okay. Katie.
Katie against Trace. Katie, you can get it. Yes.
Yes.
One.
Alright. 22 seconds.
Saan pa? Saan?
Okay,
Saan?
sige.
Jen, pasa kay Johan. Pagod na si Johan. Okay,
Okay.
Jen, let's do this. Go back and twist.
Okay. Wow! Ang linis. Natutuwa si Daddy dito sa tabi. Kita ko si Daddy dito sa
Sasagutin pa
Okay.
natin. Wala.
Wala.
Next. Jen hunting the ball.
Seconds.
Okay, next. Wala. Please, iba ko. May tulak pa nga. Up.
Please. 10. Okay, 10 seconds na lang. Alright. Kalma. Okay.
Last touch ako!